The worst kitchen crimes, and I want you, man, to tell me yours as well. Once I start reading through, it will start to make sense. Right. The worst kitchen crimes. Wet spoon in the sugar.
Oh my God. Yeah, no.
Crumbs in the butter.
You already know what that does to me. You man already know what that was trauma in uni. That was fucking trauma. Sorry to cut you off.
Go on.
Speaking of uni trauma. Okay. You know what I thought about the other day?
Walk on.
Rem was a sick
How
in
so?
uni, yeah?
Oh, God.
Do you know-
Why? Wait, pause. Did you cover your face before he said your name?
Yeah.
Why did you already clog?
I
He was
just
going to talk
knew
about
he
you.
was going to talk about me, bro.
Oh, right.
I just knew. I
All right.
for this.
Do you know what he used to do to me?
To you?
Yeah. Pause.
I already know what he's going to say.
The milk thing. He's a fucking dickhead, bro.
Oh, milk. I thought you were going to say with the chicken.
Same thing.
I see-
Same bit.
I see the
Okay.
same
Same thing
thing.
he used to do it for everything.
Okay.
What he used to do, yeah? This arsehole. He used to bring me to my knees. Okay. Bro.
Pause. Right.
Yeah, sorry. He would let the milk, not let, but like, yeah, okay, so let's say the milk would be off, right? Off.
Yeah.
If you had off. And you know daddy's sensitive to smell. Yeah, the milk would be off, bro. And he would come in, check it, and be like, does that smell off to you? I would. The thing was putrid. I would take one sniff, and my head would be in the toilet. Bro. Same with chicken, bro. The thing will be off, bro. I'm talking like a week off. I'm gonna be like, and he'll be like, does that have a smell? Bro. All the time. Bro.
Milk was basically cheese, bro. It
Bro,
was
I don't know
gone.
how he did it.
I don't know if it is.
You'd make a wonderful gay man because your gag reflex doesn't exist.
Jesus, bro.
He would sniff
I
it, bro.
just sniff it, bro. I knew it was off, but I just
Oh
knew
my
his
God.
gag
I
reflex-
wouldn't be able to firm it.
his
Pause.
gag
I'd have to
reflex
gag.
used to make me
Pause.
fucking laugh, bro. I was on the floor. That's crazy.
Disgusting. I hated when he used to do that to me. I f***ing hated it.
Chicken breast, chicken pieces, milk. Yeah. All of it.
Damn.
Oh, that's pissed me off so much.
Damn.
Sorry,
Oh,
yeah.
that made me vomit.
Pissed me off, bro.
Damn. Right. Worst kitchen crimes. Toaster settings being fiddled with.
You can't f- the toaster. If I got that golden brown, if you got that, I think it's like a 2.
Yeah.
In my toaster right now, it's like a 2.
I think I dabble between 2 and 3. Yeah. Like a 2
You
and a
make
half.
too much toast. That's how I know you make too much
I
toast.
actually don't make
Dabble
toast.
between 2 and
2
3.
and 3 because I think sometimes it depends on the bread.
Okay.
So I don't always buy the